1. Which of the following is a benefit of using digital impressions in dentistry? They require more time than traditional impressions. B. They produce more bubbles and voids. C. They are less accurate than conventional methods. D. They provide faster, more accurate impressions. Correct answer. D. They provide faster, more accurate impressions. 2. What is the purpose of a stereolithography STL file in dental technology? To store patient health records. B. To transfer to X-ray images. C. To store 3D scan data for restorations. D. To capture color photographs of teeth. Correct answer. C. To store 3D scan data for restorations. 3. What does computer-aided design CAD help create in digital dentistry? Manual impression trays. B. Physical wax-ups. C. Digital designs of dental restorations. D. Cement mixtures. Correct answer. C. Digital designs of dental restorations. 4. What is the function of computer-aided manufacturing CAM? To capture intraoral images. B. To print patient X-rays. C. To create restorations from digital designs. D. To prepare impression trays. Correct answer. C. To create restorations from digital designs. 5. What is a major benefit of an open architecture digital system? It is faster but not compatible with labs. B. It only works with specific manufacturers. C. It allows flexible file sharing across systems. D. It requires manual impression methods. Correct answer. C. It allows flexible file sharing across systems. 6. What is a scan body used for in dental implant scanning? To control cement flow. B. To indicate where to cut bone. C. To identify implant location digitally. D. To clean the scan wand. Correct answer. C. To identify implant location digitally. 7. Why should excess dental cement be carefully managed during implant crown placement? It weakens the crown's color. B. It may lead to gingivitis. Only. C. It can cause inflammation and implant failure. D. It is needed for strong adhesion. Correct answer. C. It can cause inflammation and implant failure. 8. What is meant by a hybrid dental workflow? Only using digital systems. B. Using both analog and digital processes together. C. Using outdated methods only. D. Mixing orthodontics and surgery. Correct answer. B. Using both analog and digital processes together. 9. Which digital tool provides 3D imaging for implant and jaw assessment? A manual jaw gauge. B. Handheld camera. C. Cone beam computed tomography. D. Articulating paper. Correct answer. C. Cone beam computed tomography. 10. What is a key advantage of 3D printed try-in dentures? They cost more to produce. B. They cannot be modified. C. They allow test fitting before final denture fabrication. D. They require 5 separate appointments. Correct answer. C. They allow test fitting before final denture fabrication. 11. Which of the following improves margin visibility in digital impressions? Using powdered impression trays. B. Scanning with color-rendered images. C. Taking photographs with a phone. D. Using a physical articulator. Correct answer. B. Scanning with color-rendered images. 12. Which system combines bite registration and impression making in one visit? Traditional denture systems. B. Manual occlusion gauges. C. Digital denture systems with central bearing devices. D. Hand fabricated acrylic trays. Correct answer. C. Digital denture systems with central bearing devices. 13. What should clinicians confirm when using a digital lab for implants? That the lab uses powder-free trays. B. That the lab accepts mailed stone casts only. C. That the lab has FDA 510K clearance. D. That the lab can perform oral surgery. Correct answer. C. That the lab has FDA 510K clearance. 14. What is one limitation of closed architecture systems in digital dentistry? They are open to all labs. B. They do not produce color images. C. They limit compatibility with other systems. D. They require analog impressions. Correct answer. C. They limit compatibility with other systems. 15. Why are digital impressions considered more patient-friendly? They use heat to mold trays. B. They require fewer appointments and are more comfortable. C. They need more chair time for accuracy. D. They use traditional impression materials. Correct answer. B. They require fewer appointments and are more comfortable.
Q1. What is a major advantage of using digital impressions over traditional impressions? 1. Digital impressions are more comfortable, more accurate, and eliminate distortions such as bubbles or tears found in conventional techniques. Q2. What is an STL file in digital dentistry? 2. STL is a standardized file format that stores 3D digital data used for designing and fabricating dental restorations. Q3. What is the purpose of CAD in digital dentistry? 3. CAD computer-aided design is used to digitally design restorations like crowns, bridges, dentures, and implant components based on scanned intraoral data. Q4. What is the role of CAM in the digital workflow? 4. CAM computer-aided manufacturing uses the CAD design to fabricate dental restorations through milling or 3D printing. Q5. What is one key feature of open architecture systems in digital dentistry? 5. Open architecture systems allow files to be shared across various software and devices, improving compatibility. Q6. Why is digital scanning considered more efficient for implant procedures? 6. It allows for faster data capture, eliminates the need for physical impressions, and reduces errors during impression and manufacturing steps. Q7. What is a scan body in implant digital scanning? 7. A scan body is a system-specific part used during scanning to help the lab identify implant location and orientation digitally. Q8. What is a major concern with the use of dental cement in implant crowns? 8. Excess cement can cause inflammation and peri-implant disease. Careful selection and application are essential. Q9. What does the term hybrid workflow mean in dental practice? 9. It refers to a combination of analog and digital processes, such as taking traditional impressions but using digital lab fabrication. Q10. What are the benefits of 3D printed try-in dentures? 10. They allow patients to test fit and function before final fabrication, enabling modifications and improving outcomes. Q11. What is the primary advantage of CBT in digital workflows? 11. CBT provides 3D imaging that enhances diagnosis, treatment planning, and implant placement precision. Q12. What key patient benefit is associated with digital dentures? 12. Fewer appointments and faster turnaround time with improved accuracy and comfort. Q13. How do digital impression systems improve lab communication? 13. They allow real-time sharing of images and models, enabling technicians to provide feedback before final impressions are taken. Q14. What is one limitation of closed digital systems in dentistry? 14. They may require brand-specific equipment and software, limiting flexibility and increasing costs. Q15. What is one reason digital impressions are becoming the standard of care? 15. They provide consistent, reproducible results with less chairside time and improved patient satisfaction.